Welcome to Implementing and Testing Blue-Green Deployments on AWS. I'm Jake Watkins. I'm a solution architect who has been developing and deploying software for over 25 years. Currently, I focus on developing solutions in the cloud and helping organizations adopt DevOps culture and processes. In this course, you are going to learn what a blue-green deployment is and when you should be doing one. Then, you will explore several ways to perform blue-green deployments, starting with using AWS's Route 53. After that, you will learn how to improve the blue-green deployment using the AWS Elastic Load Balancer. Next, we'll look at how Elastic Beanstalk can be used to perform blue-green deployments for serverless applications. AWS provides a lot of different ways to perform blue-green deployments, too many to cover in one course. So after covering those three, we'll move on to looking at how to set up monitoring and perform Canary testing to help make sure our deployments go more smoothly. To round out our understanding of blue-green deployments, we'll explore how to handle databases in a blue-green deployment environment. It's a lot to cover, so let's get started.